I am fortunate to be able to own and fly a small plane. My goal when I committed to personal aviation was to visit areas I would never get to visit and see sights that inspire and renew me. The Lost Coast of California is just one of those places. I remember looking out the window of a commercial airliner, looking down on the coast of California, wondering what it was like down there. You know, this section of coastline is sparsely populated and the hills butt right up to the ocean. I researched it back then and I learned a little bit about the Lost Coast, and I hope that I could visit it sometime in the future. Now, getting to Shelter Cove on the Lost Coast isn't easy. By car, it's a 6-hour drive from where I live through windy 2-lane roads. Now, as a pilot, I have the opportunity to fly there in about an hour and a half, but it still isn't easy to get to. The airport is often shrouded in coastline fog or being thrashed by coastal winds. Over the last few years, I've attempted to land there 5 times so far, and I've only been successful twice. You know, as this is a place not many will travel to, I want to share the beauty of Shelter Cove with others. Join me and my friend over the next few minutes to get a flavor of the sights and sounds of Shelter Cove on California's Lost Coast. If you're a pilot, I plan to do a separate video on my planning process, and I'll put a link in the description below. Please hit the like button if you enjoy this video, and now let's explore Shelter Cove. That way, but it's all wet.
Yeah, it's like burned. Wish you can't beat a day like today.
Oh my God, it's just incredible. I mean, look at this. Oh. Absolutely beautiful. So it looks like this lighthouse was lit in December 1st, 1868. Wow. In 1951, the structure slowly began to inch toward the 422-foot cliff. The lighthouse was dismantled in 1998 and moved to Point Delcada and is preserved by the Shelter Cove by the Cape Mendocino Lighthouse Preservation Society. It's a monument to those hardy and long-suffering keepers of the light, to the United States Coast Guard, who serve to keep people and ships safe. All right. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed this small sample of the stunning beauty of Shelter Cove and the California Lost Coast. If you want to hear my flight planning process for this trip, be sure to check out the link in the description. I hope you like and subscribe to my videos so you can follow along in future adventures, and have a great day wherever you are, and thanks for watching.